Okay, we're going to be doing the word family unch. Can you say unch?
Unch.
Chant it with us. Give me an unch.
Unch.
Give me an unch.
Unch. Munch.
Very good. So,
Munch. Nunch.
So at home, and my girls here, I would like us to think of some words that rhyme with unch, but we're going to raise our hands. At home, you don't have to. So at home, can you think of a word that rhymes with unch? Say it out loud. Ready? Did you hear him, girls?
Yeah.
Yeah. Andrina, can you think of a word that rhymes with unch?
Munch.
Eliana?
Bunch of bananas.
Okay, at home, do you have a word that rhymes with unch? Oh, I hope that was a good one.
That's a good
Andrina?
Hunch.
Punch?
Hunch.
Hunch.
Punch.
Punch. She took mine.
Like when you're in a fight.
Anyone at home? You got yours?
Good one.
All right, so here we go. We're going to be singing a munching bunch. If you can look at the picture, they're talking about some monkeys that are having brunch. Brunch is the meal that comes between breakfast and lunch. Sometimes you don't feel like having breakfast and lunch, so you just combine it together and you have it in the mid-morning, right?
Yep.
So
mid-morning.
we're going to read the poem or the song, and we'll come back and find the word unch, the rhyme unch. Here we go. It says, a bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancakes, munch, 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 topped off with walnuts, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch. Okay.
So good.
Point to the first word. If you're at home, you can just say it. But who knows the first word in the first sentence that rhymes, that has the rhyme unch? Can you point to it, Eliana?
Bunch.
Bunch. Okay, let's look at the second sentence. Andrina, brunch. Anyone?
Munch.
Munch, munch,
Munch.
munch. Okay. The next sentence, topped off with walnuts.
Crunch.
Crunch, crunch,
Crunch,
crunch. What about the next sentence? They washed it down with, no? Okay, lemonade and orange punch. There's punch.
And
Now it's time for lunch. So we have bunch,
Bunch,
brunch, munch, crunch, punch,
and
lunch. We are ready to sing. Here we go. I think I'd rather have the drinking kind.
Yeah.
A bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch. A bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch. A bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch.
How are we supposed
Oh my
to
goodness,
sing
that was so
It
fast.
kept getting faster, like a bunch
Let's
of
try it
bananas,
one more time.
bunch of monkeys, and then there's a bunch of monkeys, and then there's a bunch of monkeys.
Here we go. You don't have to sing, you can just listen to it, right?
Try to sing.
Try though.
A bunch of monkeys
had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch.
Here we go.
A bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch. A bunch of monkeys had a yummy Sunday brunch, banana pancake, munch, 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 topped off with walnut, crunch, crunch, crunch. They washed it down with lemonade and orange punch, and now it's time for lunch.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Fast.
All right, I know I'm tired. We're ready to do some making words.
I'm good.
Join us. Okay, we are ready to do our making words. So friends at home, you can get letters out or you can write these letters at the top of your paper. Whatever things you have is just fine. Of course, right in the middle we have the unch word family. U-N-C-H, because that CH says ch, ch, ch. Then we need the b, m, p, r, l, s, k. Okay, so you need a B, M, P, R, L, C, S. You can always pause this and then look for those letters and wait. All right, if you are ready, let's bring up one letter to make the word lunch. The girls always enjoy lunch.
Watching TV.
Watching a TV show if they're lucky. Let's say it. Ready? Lunch. Lunch. Change just the beginning and make the word bunch, like a bunch of bananas. Bunch. Bunch. Leave that there. We have the word bunch. We're going to add one letter to make the word brunch. We talked about brunch during our song.
It's in the middle of like
the morning, right? Here we go. Let's say that word. Brunch. Brunch. Okay, we're going to start all over and we're going to make the word munch. The girls like to munch on popcorn.
Munch, munch,
Unch. Munch. Take the M away. Don't say the word, but I'm going to ask you, can you please put the P up? Let's think about what this one says. Let's point to it and say the sound. Ready? P. Unch. Punch. All right, can you take that P away? Take that first sound away. This time we're going to add two letters to make the word crunch. Crunch. I like a peanut butter crunch cereal. Let's say it. Crunch. Crunch. Leave crunch there. You're going to add one letter to crunch to make scrunch. Ooh, we've got a big word here, don't we?
I can't even fit it.
And our last making words, we said that SCR says skr. So let's say that. Skr. Unch. Scrunch. Can you say that with us? Eliana, can you point, please? Skr. Unch. Scrunch. And that's our last word. Now we're going to do our writing. So if you have a marker, awesome. If you want to do it with paper and pencil, that's okay too.
Yes.
We are ready to practice our unch words by writing them down. So let's get started. Here we go. Unch. Unch. Lunch. Can you underline that unch? There it is. Trina's going a little down the paper. Unch. That U-N-C-H. That's okay. Bunch. B. You got it. Let's say it. Unch. Bunch. There's the unch. The next word is munch. Unch. Munch. All right. Our next word is punch. Let's say that. P. Unch. Punch. You want to go to the next column there, Gina? Our next word after punch is crunch. 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 If you can spell crunch, you can spell scrunch. Let's say that slowly. Scrunch. Scrunch. That's a tricky one.
Yeah.
Thanks for trying it. Let's read our unch words. Ready? Starting at the top, we have Hold on, Andrina. We have to see it. Can you point to the word with your finger, Andrina? Now with the marker. Okay, ready? Lunch. Bunch. Oh, check that one again. Bunch. Munch. Punch. Crunch. Scrunch.
I think this is my best handwriting.
You think so, huh?
Which is backwards a little bit.
Okay. All right. Should we say goodbye to our friends?
Bye!
Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. And we hope you can find the rhyme unch and lots of your stories and the words around you.
And make sure to click the thumbs up to our channel. Have a nice day!